Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about what is the command DCL command. Okay, wow. What is the command ma? DCL command. Already we are revised more than commands. So now we are discuss about DCL. The DCL command we are going to discuss commit. The commit commands is used to permanently save any transaction to the database. You have using the transaction language, that is you are using the database of the DCL command commit. When any DML command, data manipulation commands like what is the insert, update, delete command are used. So where we are using data manipulation language command, so the changes may be this commands is not permanent, so it is not permanent in the command for the DCL. So it is marked the permanent only after the we are using what is the command commit is given from the SQL promote. Once the commit command is given, the changes cannot be rolled in back. So you are using the insert, update and delete. This is not a permanent. We are using the commit command given to the promote in the SQL. After you only have able to use in the insert, update and delete. So here is then the commit command, how they be using that. The syntax is commit. What is the commit? Next is the rollback command. The rollback command restore the database to the last committed state. So last what is this happen in the committed state is anybody there mean the rollback command we are using, they will be stored the data. It is used to with the save point command to jump to the particular save point location. So here we are using the syntax rollback to save point name. What is the point name? And next is the save point command. The save point command used in temporarily save the transaction, so that you can roll back the point wherever record, where the place in your record, that place and all we are using the save point command. The different states of our table can be saved at any time using the different name, and roll back to that state can be done using the rollback command. What is the syntax of the rollback command mean? Save point and you have using the save point name. So example showing commit, save point and rollback in the student table having the following table data. Here will be giving the admission number, name, gender, age and place. So insert in the student values. What is the insert? 107 Bina F and 20 is the Cochin. You want another commit in the place. So there immediately it will be insert in your table. So they will insert 107 Bina female 20 and Cochin, and another update student. So update student, set name. What is the name you want to set? Mini, and where that nearby admission number 100 by save point A. Understood? So here will be our another insert for the mini the name, and next insert in the student value. Already I instead we are using the commit statement only, we can able to do that insert, update and delete format in the DML commands. So it is very important. So insert in the student value 106 is a female 9 and Delhi, save point is another B, save point in the B. So they will be insert automatically, and roll back to A, roll back to A. Here is another. What is the A is the rollback is arranging in the A form. Understood? This all will be a command for the DCL commands. Clear you all? And next is the some points we going to remember. SQL is the language that help to what is the they will do create and operate and relational the database. So MS SQL is the one of the database management system. So the various components we are using the SQL. What is the data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language and translation control language and data control language. The DDL provides what is the statement create and delete of the table, and DML provides the statement of insert, update and delete the data of the table, and DCL provides authorization of the command to access the data want to access, you want to get the authorization for the DCL command. And TCL commands you are used to manage the what is the transaction happen in the database. All this permanently want to mean we have get the permission of TCL. And DQL commands help to generate the queries in the database, and the create table command create the new table. So now you are going to discuss some choose the correct answers, the 5 only. Which command provide definition for creating table structure, deleting and relation and modify the relation scheme? Have anybody know that? Okay, first one answer is DDL, that data definition language. Which command let us change the structure of the table? Which command let us change the structure of the table? The answer is alter. The third one, the command to delete the table is, which one delete that? Yes, drop. And queries can be generated by using what is the command? Select. The class used to sort the data in the database, we are using order by. Understood, student? Thank you.